Animal life. Time to warm up. Guess where do these animals live? Time to know. No matter where you are, at home, at school, or on vacation, the fascinating world of wildlife is there to be discovered. Stop, look, and listen. You will be surprised by how many animals are around. At first, you may recognize only the familiar sights and sounds of robins or crickets. But the more you learn about animals, the more animals you will see. A big part of discovering wildlife around you knows where to look. Animals of all sizes, shapes, and colors live in all kinds of places called habitats. You probably know the squirrels and pigeons live in cities. But did you know that some peregrine falcons live there too? More and more, birds or all kinds of other animals like turtles, woodchucks, raccoons, and deer are finding what they need to live near, even in towns, suburbs, and cities. No matter where they live, all the animals must have food, water, shelter, and space. Different body coverings. All animals have body coverings. There are many different types of body covering. One of the main characteristics that is used to distinguish one class of animals from another type of skin covering. Mammals have hair, or feather birds have feathers. Reptiles have dry scales, amphibians have soft, moist skin, and fish have wet, slimy scales. Although each skin covering is useful in many ways, the focus of this information is how various colors and patterns help an animal's chances for survival. Feather, fur, scale. Different eating habits. We have seen a tiger chasing a deer on TV or a cow eating grass. We have seen a kitten sucking its mother milk. After a few years, a kitten becomes a cat, and in a few months, a puppy becomes a dog. Animals like horses, elephants, and camels carry loads and work for us. They need energy to work. This energy comes from the food they eat. Animals need food to grow, stay healthy, and to get energy for doing work. Plants are able to make their own food, but animals are not. Different animals have different eating habits. They eat either plants or the flesh of other animals. Some animals eat plants. Other animals eat the plant-eating animals. Some others eat both plants and animals. Hence, all animals depend on plants for food. Now, we discuss about different animals and its feeding habits. Plant-eating animals, herbivorous animals. Some animals feed on grass, plants, fruits, and roots. Some feed on grams and nuts. These are plant-eating animals. They are called herbivores. They do not eat the flesh of other animals. Some plant-eating animals are cows, horses, goats, elephants, etc. Fact Finder. The elephant is the largest land mammal. An adult elephant is believed to consume in one single day several hundred kilograms of leaves, shoots, grass, and other available vegetation. Flesh-eating animals. Carnivorous animals. Some animals eat other animals. These are flesh-eating animals. They are called carnivores. They do not eat plants. Some flesh-eating animals are lions, tigers, snakes, wolves, etc. Plant and flesh-eating animals. Omnivorous animals. Some animals eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. These animals are called omnivores. Some animals that eat both are bears, jackals, cats, dogs, etc. Humans also eat meat, fish, eggs, as well as vegetables, fruits, and nuts. So, they are also omnivores. Fact Finder. Monkeys are omnivorous by nature. They eat a wide variety of food from flowers, leaves, and fruits to insects and small frogs. Different ways of breathing. Can you swim underwater? It is wonderful to swim underwater like a fish. But, unlike a fish, you must soon return to the surface to fill your lungs with air. Without air, you will die in a few minutes. Air contains the gas oxygen, which your body needs to burn your food to release energy. Using oxygen to burn food in your body is called respiration. Through the noses and mouths, air enters the lungs where oxygen passes into the blood. The harder we work, the more oxygen we need. Activity. How fast do you breathe? Sit quietly. Put your hand on your chest. Feel how your chest rises and falls as you breathe in and out. Count the number of times you breathe in and out in 1 minute. Now, run as fast as you can on the spot for 30 seconds. Are you breathing faster and more deeply? Count the number of times you breathe in 1 minute now. Record your results in a table. Activity. Number of breaths in 1 minute. Some animals breathe through the moist skin. The earthworm and frog breathe through their moist skin. Some animals breathe through body holes. Insects breathe through tiny holes known as spiracles, which are located on both sides of their bodies. Some animals breathe through gills. The animals that live in water breathe through gills. Example: fish, tadpoles, prawns, etc. Different methods of moving. Animals move their bodies to find food, seek shelter, or to escape from the danger. Sometimes they move just for fun, dancing or playing games. Animals have many different ways to move. Look at these examples. Dolphins leap from the water and ride on waves. Crabs have 10 legs, 8 for walking and 2 with pincers for picking up food. Fish, turtles and dolphins swim with the fins and flippers. Humans and birds walk and run on. Horses, cats and dogs walk and run on 4 legs. Birds, bats and insects fly with wings. Snakes don't have legs but slither by bending their bodies. Animals' legs have joints. These allow them to swing and bend, so movement is possible. Animal movement is powered by muscles. The cheetah is the fastest land animal of all. Its powerful muscles bend and straighten its legs to reach speeds of 100 km per hour. Birds and humans have 2 legs, horses have 4, insects have 6, spiders 8, crabs 10, and some millipedes have more than 100.